all the way to this end and keep it straight. Now the next thing you do is smile. Very good. Smile big. Big smile. Very good. Come on, this is show business. You need to act animatedly. Big smile. Smile big. Biggest you have. Come on, help me out. Smile big. I'll help you out. Big like that. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the magic of Jake. Clap your hands. Here we go. You ready, Jake? Very good. Concentrate to smile big. Here we go. Music, please. Concentrate. Concentrate, Jake. This is not easy. Smile big. Here we go. Concentrate, Jake. Okay, Jake, this is what you do. You blow into the rope. Blow. Then you let go of this end. Let go. Again. Blow and then let go. Blow. Let go. Again. Blow, let go, blow, let go. Blow. Let go. Jake, this is quite easy. I'll teach you how this works. This is how this works. Look. You blow. You let go. You got it? Okay. Now you hold it in the middle and keep it straight. Very good. Now we're going to do something really weird. That's not the weird part, okay? You hold it straight, keep it straight. Very good. Now we're going to do something really different. That's okay, Jake. Yeah, don't worry, it doesn't work usually in the first half. Okay, just hold it up for me. We're going to do it. Don't worry, Jake. You hold this for me. Keep it straight. Now, we're going to do something really weird, Jake. Now, don't worry. I'm always prepared for the worst. Apparently, this looks like the worst case scenario. Let's clap our hands for the magic of this boy, and his name is Jake. Clap your hands! A classic of magic. Each magician needs to learn. There's a classic rabbit out from the hat trick, and there is no rabbit in this hat. Is there a rabbit inside, Jake? Is there a rabbit inside? No. No rabbit inside, ladies and gentlemen. No rabbit inside. If you flap the hat like this, if there's a rabbit inside, the rabbit would instantly die. Now, with the powers of Jake, he's going to make the rabbit come out of this very hat. If we cannot make the rabbit come out from this hat, I'll turn him into a rabbit, I'll put him inside the hat, I'll flatten him up like this. Do you understand? That's okay, Jake. Everybody clap your hands for Jake. I'm not going to turn you into a rabbit. Would you like to see a rabbit? Yes? Smile. Very good. Smile big. Thank you very much. Where's the prize of Jake? Can you please give him the prize? What prize do you have? Wow, Jake, look at that prize. That's for you. Are you ready to make the rabbit come out? Yes. You hold the hat. You hold the stick. Hand it over. Hand it over. Now, Jake, this Benton classic never be bought anywhere in the world except for Divisoria. It's going to be for you. Okay, now this is what you do, Jake. You shout the magic words, you tap the hat. Everybody will help you out, okay? Abracadabra, rabbit, and then the rabbit will come out. Are you ready? Smile. Smile now. Very good. Okay. Everybody, help Jake out. Now, Jake, over here, you tap the hat when you hear the rabbit, okay? Like that. Practice. Rabbit. Tap. Rabbit. Tap. Very good. Tap only once, okay? I can't afford too many rabbits. Okay. Everybody, shout abracadabra, rabbit. Okay, very good, Jake. You hold the hat. The rabbit is about to come out. Look, don't look. Smile. Very good. The rabbit is about... Smile. Oh, don't just smile. Just smile only. Okay. Here we go. The rabbit... I'm sorry, the rabbit can't make it this time. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not a rabbit. Indeed, that is a flower in Jake's nose. Another one right there. Another one right there. Another one in the ear. Another one in the armpit. Another one behind Jake. Another one... You like flowers? Why didn't you tell me so, Jake? It's a bunch of flowers I got from India. Jake, you ready? Abracadabra, flower. Hit hard. Flower. Harder. Everybody shout, abracadabra, flower. Hit. Here, Jake, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah. Smile. Take him out. Take him out. Very good. Clap your hands for Jake. Jake. You are indeed a magician. You get this pen, and this is for you. And and I will see you on your birthday, okay? Very good. That's a lovely smile.